everybody, and welcome back to the Dr. Peppy Chow Show. I am your host, Ross, and today we have a special guest. Who is it? Who is it? Please come out, Shelby. Can we please have Shelby up right now? Shelby, it's time for you to go back. Oh, okay. I'll be there. Okay. Well, hurry up because he really wants you. And here we are with Shelby. Alright, Shelby, you can just take a seat right there. Okay, thanks. So, Shelby, we're just going to be asking you some questions. And I'm your host, named Ross. D. Ross. Yes, Ross. Now, I have one question. Why haven't you been on Lexi's channel? I mean, you haven't been on one of her recent videos and stuff. Oh, that's because I'm new in her studio and stuff, so I didn't really get to be in her videos a lot, but this is my first video with her. Well, okay, well, Lexi has been on this channel for like about, I don't know, a week or something. And how do you feel about Lexi being, the whole role? I think it's great. I mean, she's done a good job and stuff. Okay, we got 2 more questions and then I think we're done. Anyway, so do you like Lexi? Yes, she's like one of my best friends and stuff. She's awesome. Like, nobody can hate on her. Well, that seems kind of certain. Just to say I don't like Lexi. Anyway, so, are you going to be in one of her series? Yes, I've been reading lots of scripts about it, and it seems really pretty good, so, yeah. Alright, well, can we talk about your fancy dress, please? Sure. Alright, everybody, we're just going to take a moment of her dress. So, yeah. Alright, everybody, I think that's it for the Dr. Puppy Chow Show today. Now, subscribe and like for more videos. So, yeah, bye, guys. Bye.